What's up guys, Rob Rast here from FLX, and I wanted to keep you updated on the Babymaker production so you know exactly what's going on with your bike. So I have here a bunch of footage from the factory, just what's going on there behind the scenes. It's not super coherent, but I had to share it with you guys anyways because I know you wanted to see what's going on behind the scenes. So before we do that, please take 1 second to hit that subscribe button. It would really mean the world to us and allow us to make more of these videos for you. Like, comment if you dare, but let's go to the factory and see what's going on. So at the factory, we have received many components, literally entire office full of the components needed to build your Babymaker. Check these out. This is the crank for the Sterling Babymaker. Absolutely beautiful, that silver finish color. We're gonna do a little unboxing here. In this box, we've got some high pressure rim tape. Check it out, really sweet stuff. You want that in there so that the spokes can't stick through and like pop the inner tube. And in this bar, we have a load of bar tape. Check it out, that's what's gonna be wrapped around your handlebars. Check it out, this is the crank and chain ring for the base model Sterling color, that beautiful silver color. You'll see there is a chain ring so the chain can go on it. And this is that same item in black for the rest of the model. So Sterling silver, the rest of them in black. Very happy with the build quality here. Now in this heavy box here, we've got a load of the, you guessed it right, the bullhorn handlebars. Those are sweet. Of course, those still need the bar tape to give you that nice foamy grip. Check it out, you may recognize that name, TRP. That is the makers of the brakes for the Pro model with dropper brakes. So Pro model dropper brakes are using the TRP, as we mentioned during the campaign. And here we've got a bunch of the rotors, nice 180mm rotors. And under that, check it out. So that is the hydraulic reservoir and the piston for the TRP mechanically actuated hydraulic disc brakes for the Pro models with dropper bars. And these big round things, see if you can guess what those are. Probably got it. It's the rims. And if we open that up, you can see that beautiful silver rim for the Sterling color bikes. Check this out. Those are a bunch of the assembled wheels with motors. So the motor's in there in the center, of course, spokes, rim. So they get assembled and go through this whole kind of conveyor belt assembly line. Meanwhile, at our frame factory, still cranking away. There are a lot of frames to build, so work continues on those. And of course, every single frame is tested so that it fits within the tolerances we've laid out. We don't want anything out of place there. Everything needs to fit together right and be bang on straight in line. So after spot welding, the frame is checked. After a full weld, the frame is checked again. It's adjusted because after the full weld, things can warp slightly. So it's adjusted to be put back exactly in place where it needs to be. And check it out in back, all these beautiful Babymaker frames. They are checked again for alignment. Every once in a while, a frame can make it through that is out of alignment. That frame will be marked and put off to the side, and we will not make a bike out of it. So you did see the full motor wheel, but without the tire. That feeds through to where we put the tires on them with the inner tube and rim tape. That's done here with the help of this machine. Also for the Pro models with disc brakes, the brake rotors are installed here with an impact wrench. At the same time, we also test the spoke tension to make sure that is in spec. You don't want the spokes to be of unequal tension. If one's loose and others are tight, the wheel's gonna get all wonky and wobbly and go woo, 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 woo. Here's where we also install the reflector on the spokes. That is a part that's required by law. Personally, do not use it on my bike, but you guys definitely wanna be safe out there. So you did see the handlebars. Now it's installed on the stem, and we're wrapping the bars. These are of course the bullhorn bars, and it's getting that foam bar wrap on it. Once it's wrapped all the way to the end of the bars, the wrap is inserted inside the end of the bar and an end cap is installed. So here you'll notice all that blue stuff on the bolts here. These are the bolts that hold the chain ring to the chain ring spider. And it's very important that those stick together and they're firm and they're not going to get loose because you don't want your chain ring to be wobbling around. So we do use Loctite on those to keep them real tight and secure. That Loctite's super gummy. It's designed to hold these mechanical screw parts together. The next thing to go on the handlebars are the brake levers. Here we're installing the Magura MT30 disc brake levers on the handlebars. So of course these are for the Pro model, which has the hydraulic disc brakes. And the final piece of the handlebars, that is the display. So that's the remote control, the computer that controls what pedal assist level you're in. It shows you what speed you're going, how far you've gone, etc. So the wheels with tires installed go back on the assembly conveyor belt, and they're going to meet back up with the bike when they're needed again next. So a few other things we got recently are photos of various components. So we've got here the water bottle cage. This is of course the front headlight. If you got the touring package, you're gonna have that. The rear light for the touring package. And what you've all been waiting to see, this is the rack. If you got the touring package, this is the rack that will come on the bike. Custom made just for the Babymaker, super cool. Very excited about this thing. And you'll notice there are two different sizes of rack here. One for the 23-inch frame and one for the 19-inch frame. Now these are the fenders, if you ordered the touring package, of course, that will come with it. All right guys, that's it for today's production update. Of course, this footage is a bit delayed from when I get it to the time we put an edit together and get it to you, but your Babymakers are well underway. We continue to make big progress on them. I can't wait to share more with you, so stay tuned for the next update. And until then, please hit that subscribe button, like, comment, share, and we'll see you later.